Ever struggle to get the perfect gap for your butt joints? If your spacing is uneven or too wide, you're going to have a hard time getting a clean, strong weld. Here's a workshop hack. Use an old angle grinder disc as a spacer. Clamp it between your workpieces for a perfectly consistent gap. Then put down a few tack welds to lock your alignment. Slide that spacer out. You can see how that precise gap allows your electrode to sit right in the groove, ensuring maximum penetration for the root. Start the first pass using controlled arc strikes. This tack and move technique bridges the gap without putting too much heat into the metal, which prevents blow-through. Don't skip the cleanup. Use a chipping hammer and wire brush to remove every bit of slag. A clean surface prevents inclusions during your final pass. For the cover pass, use a steady weaving motion. Watch the arc stay on the edges of the joint, filling the middle as we move. This creates that classic stack of dimes look. One last clean, and you've got a professional weld with perfect alignment. Try this spacer trick on your next project. Welding rebar to a flat plate is tricky because of those irregular ribs. Without the right approach, you'll end up with a messy joint and weak penetration. First, ensure the surface is clean. We align the electrode using the ribs as natural spacing markers. This allows the puddle to sit deep into the corner of the joint. We're laying the root pass first. Maintain a tight arc so the molten metal fuses deep into both the plate and the rebar. A steady travel speed keeps the bead uniform. Next, clear the slag. Use a chipping hammer and wire brush to get a pristine surface before starting your cover pass. Now for the weave. Move the electrode back and forth to bridge the gap and create a wider, stronger bead. This technique gives you that professional ripple finish. One last brush down, and you're done. That's a rock-solid connection. This method ensures maximum strength for any heavy-duty project.